I'm now using Affinity Designer to create the alpha. Because this is very practical, there are vectors and pixels. Because there is a pixel persona in Affinity Designer. There is a use fill function, which is great when making an alpha. I used colors to make it easier to distinguish shapes. Control and scroll to enlarge the canvas. It's an organic design and doesn't have to be precise. The color can be set so that it is transparent every time it is used. Just merge these two objects into one with this button. Settings and preferences to make keyboard keys so that they can rotate left or right and return to normal. Ctrl+0 to see all canvases. If you want to do vector tracing, it's also very easy. This is what I use when working on designs from customers. Same with other vector programs. If here, use Alt to temporarily disable it. Use fills also work on vectors. The line settings are here. Active and inactive. For tracing, I need it. Why did I switch to using Affinity Designer? Because Adobe on my computer is too heavy to be opened together with other programs. Only need one day to study this. The menu is not much different from the others. For example, if you want to combine two objects, it's also very easy, like in Photoshop. Also change the default object of Affinity, convert to vector to set. Like this, and also exists to make corners round. This design is for my local shop. I've made an alpha, like this. To become alpha, I changed the color to black. ZBrush now does not recognize the alpha color. Select all the colors and change the color to black. This one is a line, so change the color in the line menu. To select, directly press Ctrl on the keyboard and right-click. Next we save the file in PNG so that not many bytes are used. When creating alpha, collect objects that are not together. Later in ZBrush, we can separate it if necessary, so that there are not too many files to manage. Like I show this. This is the result of work at ZBrush and has been printed.